Hi everyone. Welcome back to How to Master HQ. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our practical tech tutorials. Today, we're exploring how to create a histogram in Excel. Let's consider an example where we have a spreadsheet with columns for first name, last name, age, and IQ. We'll create a histogram for the age column to understand its distribution. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet containing your data. Step 2. First, we need to select the data we'll use for the histogram. For this tutorial, we're interested in the age column. Click and drag to select all the cells in the age column. Step 3. Once you've selected your data, go to the Insert tab in the top menu. Step 4. In the Insert tab, look for the Charts group. Click on the Statistical Chart button, which might also be labeled as histogram depending on your Excel version. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, choose Histogram. Excel will generate a histogram using the ages you selected. There you have it. A histogram that shows the distribution of ages in your data. Remember, you can customize your histogram using the Chart Design and Format tabs when the chart is selected. Thank you for joining us at How to Master HQ. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. We'll see you in the next tutorial.